Oh, what the fuck, man? Why'd you just drop? No, you weren't supposed to do that. Hey there, beautiful. It's me. Welcome back to Mario 64. I forgot to hit record on the camera, so I had to just redo the intro. Thank God, though, because nothing happened. Fucking do that. Fuck. He's fucking dead, so I can't get up there now. You know what? Screw it. I'm going into there because I've tried multiple times to try and get on that pillar. They all lead to death, so I'm going to attempt to just do what I originally was trying to do and just fly up there. Can I bounce up there with this thing? No, I cannot. Get wrecked, scrub. Please make it. Okay. Okay, so I have it. I forgot to mute my phone. Okay. I'm gonna fly up there. I'm going to attempt to land on the pillar. Then... Okay, well... Okay, this is going good. This is going good so far. Okay, so the star is over here. And please just let me fucking get this. Let me fucking get this. Fucking finally. Oh my god. I think I failed more times on that mission than any of the others, so. Shining atop the pyramid. Oh, I gotta get... Oh yeah, I gotta get up there. Okay. Okay, let's see. You wanna chase me? That would be super cool, right? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Jump. Yeah, okay. Okay, so... If I could just keep my altitude up. Oh, okay. Okay, wait. Oh, I don't think I had to fly up here, but it definitely made it a lot easier to be able to fly up there. Got no coins, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, what's next? There are missions inside the pyramid. Inside the ancient pyramid. Okay, so I'm going to try and fly up there. Okay. Come at me, bro. Get wrecked, scrub. Okay. Okay, so I think the entrance is right there. So I'm gonna land. What's in here? An extra life. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice to have. Okay, so yeah, that's the entrance. Okay, what do I have to do in here? Not entirely sure what's over here. There's some Goombas and this. What's this? Pretty sure the quicksand will eat my ass, so I'm gonna try and avoid going in there. Jump, 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 jump. Come on, jump. Oh man, come on. Oh wait, little platforms. Okay. Thank freaky geeky. Okay, so up here, I think I have no idea what's over there, but I'm going to ignore that for now, unless it's a star, and then I'm being completely stupid. Oh, what the fuck, man? Why'd you just drop? No, you weren't supposed to do that. I don't know where my goal is, so I don't know if I'm doing the right thing or not. I can't really look around all that much. Okay, jump. I have to hold the jump button to stay up here. That kinda doesn't make that much sense, but okay. Do. Am I over it? Yes, I am. Okay. Now, I don't... Do I have... Oh, way up there. Way up there. Okay, I'm much farther from the goal than I originally thought I was. Why the hell does the camera not let you... Like, you have very little control over where the camera's going, and now it's doing... What the fuck, man? What the what? And I really don't like this, like, up-close look, because then you can't really see all that much. Okay, so... Oh, this is weird. Okay. You screw your little... Screw you. No. Fuck off. Okay, he's dormant. Oh. Just don't do it. I'm a baby. Don't hurt Mario. Okay. Okay, now where am I going? Not there. Okay. He's bouncy. He's bouncy. Okay, so I have to go under him when he's jumping. Just gotta. Oh my god. That was almost bad. I mean, it's not too bad if he, like, crushes me. Okay, let me try and do this with a simple jump. Yeah. Okay. I got a new high score. Ain't that great? Okay, what's next? Stand tall on the 4 pillars. Not entirely sure what I have to do. So, I have to stand atop the 4 pillars. What does that entail? Do I have to just stand on top of them? I don't get it. So I'm on the pillar. So did I do it? Okay, that's pretty cool. That's all I had to do, okay. Okay. It would have been nice to get confirmation that standing on the pillars was actually doing something, instead of just, like, wondering, like, am I doing the right thing? So, oh god, more maze. Okay, what's here? I'm assuming I gotta go down here, right? Okay. Oh my fucking god, what the shit? What the who walk here? God, this scared the crap out. Who breaks seal? Who awake ancient ones? We no like fight, or we no like intruders. No battle. Hand too. Hand? Oh, it's so funny. Okay, I think what I have to do here is pretty simple. I almost got fucking wrecked, though. Okay, so hand-eye. Man, he has such good hand-eye coordination. I'm funny, right? Oh, he's dead. No! Fucking ass shit. Oh, thank God. Jumping back in, it just brings me here. Well, that's mighty convenient. Thank you for that, game. Okay, now gotta fight these fuckers again. Okay, this I'm no liking. Who walk here? Okay, let's get to it. Okay, got you, and hand, 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 got you. That was really simple once I knew what to do. Crush like pebbles, so strong, rule pyramid. For today, now star, we sleep darkness. Okay. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Now, I know I still have, like, the red coin mission in this map, and I think that'll be the last for this one. Free flying for 8 red coins. Ah, man. I think I know where 4 of them are. Okay, so there's that one right there. So, you know, I'm gonna get the ones on the ground first. Is there any over here? I don't think so. So I'm just gonna go over here now. Okay, that's 2. Oh my god, I almost got wrecked. Okay, so Up, there's a coin. Stay away from me, you bird. I know what you like to do. You like to take my hat. And then I take damage from the sun or something? Talk. Fuck. Fucking fuck. So the bird got my fucking hat. I think I go up here and get... Oh, that was quickly done. Nice and efficient. So there's red coin over there. Red coin. I have 3. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the sky. I'm not quite sure where the other one would be. I think that, yep, I thought right. It does make a fucking turn. No, fuck off. Fuck off. I don't appreciate this. I don't appreciate this at all. Don't do that. Okay, well at least I get a healthy life from this, right? No, I don't. Is there a red coin up here? I don't think so. Nope. So I'm just going to leave. Don't you it's so easy to just fucking die in this game. Fuck off, you stupid bird. Please don't tell me that one of the coins are inside the fucking pyramid, because that would be utterly annoying. Okay, so if I come up here and then land and fucking look. Okay, so there's a coin there. Get it, please get it. Okay, I got it. And over here, please get it. Okay, got it. Now let me land here. Ooh. Okay, there's a coin over here. Get it. Yeah, and over here. Come on, please get it. Oh god, I'm not gonna get it. Okay. Really hope the hat doesn't run out on me now. And yeah, that's only 7 though. Where's the other coin? I don't see it anywhere. Nope, no coin here. Wasn't that lovely? I looked it up. I knew it. I knew one of these maps was going to pull a fuck-ass move like that. Oh, I just fucking knew it. Oh, wait. I can zoom out with the Mario view? Fuck. I knew they were going to do that. I was talking before, like, oh, they're going to put, like, one of the coins, like, right behind you at the beginning or something. And I totally fucking forgot about that. Get wrecked, scrub. Okay. Fucking. Finally. Jesus, that was crazy. Was that the last level? Please tell me it was. Pyramid. Well, you know what? I'm gonna save that one for the next episode because I'm done with this video. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time you see me. Bye. So